how to disable multi-factor authentication on Discord. This tutorial shows you how to turn off two-factor authentication and remove the extra security layer from your Discord account on your Android device. First, open the Discord application on your Android device. Next, you'll see your Discord home screen with servers and messages. Following that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, your user settings menu will appear. Scroll down through the settings options. Moving forward, look for My Account under the User Settings section. Tap on My Account to access your account settings. Afterwards, scroll down until you see two-factor authentication. You'll see it shows as enabled if you currently have 2FA active. Tap on two-factor authentication to manage your security settings. Discord will ask you to verify your identity first. Enter your current two-factor authentication code from your Authenticator app. Type the 6-digit code carefully. Tap Next to proceed. Now Discord will ask you for your account password for extra security. Enter your Discord password in the text field. Tap Continue to verify. You'll now see the option to remove 2FA or disable 2FA. Tap on Remove 2FA at the bottom. A confirmation message will appear warning you that this will make your account less secure. Tap Yes, Remove 2FA or Confirm to proceed with disabling. Your two-factor authentication is now successfully disabled. Discord will no longer ask for authentication codes when you log in. Note that this makes your account more vulnerable, so make sure you have a strong password. You can re-enable 2FA anytime by going back to the same settings. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you disable multi-factor authentication on Discord, give it a like, subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.